This training video was made possible through the brilliant programmers on the phet.colorado.edu website. Electrical shorts, opens, and amperage flow. An open electrical circuit is anything that prevents the electrons from flowing in the circuit. The break can be on the positive side or the negative side. The circuit is often controlled by installing a switch that opens and closes a circuit. The switch can be on the positive or the negative side of the circuit. Electron flow at the atomic level is electrons flowing from the negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery. Conventional flow is what we use every day in the automotive industry. Conventional flow is from positive to negative. Electron flow is measured in amperage and often referred to as current. Current can be measured by placing an ammeter in line or in series with the working circuit. Amperage can also be measured by measuring the strength of the magnetic field that is produced by current passing through a wire. This is known as magnetic inductance, and a special inductive amp probe is used to make this measurement. It doesn't matter where in the circuit the ammeter is placed to make the measurement. The value will always be the same. Note that if the circuit is open, there will be no amperage flow. Changing the resistance of the bulb impacts the amperage flow. Low resistance equals higher amperage flow and a brighter bulb. Increasing the resistance of the bulb lowers the amperage flow along with the brightness of the bulb. Changing the voltage input also impacts the amperage flow. Raising the voltage causes the amperage to increase. Additionally, the intensity of the bulb will also increase. Lowering the voltage will cause the amperage to decrease. Additionally, the intensity of the bulb also decreases. There are two types of short to ground. The first type bypasses the electrical load and blows the circuit protection, such as a fuse or circuit breaker. This can occur before or after the switch. The difference is at what point does the fuse blow. Does the fuse blow right away or only after the operation of a switch? A short to ground on an unprotected circuit can cause a fire and a meltdown. The second type of short to ground occurs when the switch is placed on the ground side of the circuit and the short ends up bypassing the switch. The result is the inability to turn the electrical load on and off since the switch has been bypassed with the short to ground. A short to power occurs when an unwanted power source is introduced into the circuit which bypasses the switch. This causes the electrical load to be on all the time and uncontrollable by the switch.